Hey, how y'all doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got another buy for you from Amazon. Don't know how long this will last, but it's a terrific deal. I reviewed this radio. It's AM, FM, shortwave. Comes with a solar panel for charging it. It's also an MP3 player that also can be used as a Bluetooth speaker. And it's got a large tuning knob. $20.99, 48% off. 48% off. It's a nice little radio. I did a review right here. Let's see how long ago. This is 1 year ago I bought mine. There it is. I did two videos. This one, 2337, and another one after that, doing some specific testing. Nice little radio. I'm going to put this in my Amazon store if I haven't already. Probably did already. And if you click on the link to my store, which is in the description below each of my videos, it takes you to Amazon. You can buy this radio, or if you decide you don't want it, you can buy something else, and I still get a small commission. Very small, but it's a commission. And then I use that money to buy radios like this to review for you. Thanks for watching. Have a great holiday. And if I don't see you sooner, bye-bye.